Hi, I'm Jolene with the Home Advantage Group, and today I am so excited to introduce to you one of our newest listings located in St. Francis. This is a beautifully renovated 4-bed, 2-bath home situated on a 1-acre lot and on a cul-de-sac. Get ready to be wowed by the impressive updates throughout this home. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by the gleaming refinished hardwood floors and the abundance of natural light flooding the space. The kitchen is a true standout, featuring enameled cabinets, new hardware, a stunning backsplash, and a center island topped with luxurious granite countertops. Throughout the home, you'll find modern updates galore, including completely renovated bathroom, a refreshed lower level bathroom, and new plush carpeting. And let's not forget about the cozy fireplace, which has been tastefully refinished to add warmth and charm to the living space. With updated windows, new doors, and modern fixtures throughout, this home seamlessly blends style with functionality. There's truly too much to list, so please schedule your private tour and see for yourself today.